Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have the u equals to the s dv, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 2 to the power of s over ln number 2. So I will put about u multiplied by v, and now we put the bounds from 0 to number 2 minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration from 0 to number 2, and we have like this. So the integration of 2 to the power of s, we have ln number 2 on the denominator, and we have 2 to the power of s, and I will put the bounds from 0 to number 2, and now we have the final answer. And the next one, so I will put number 2 gone here, number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here, number 2 gone here, number 0 gone here. So this one we have 8 over ln number 2. This one you got number 0, we cancel. This one we have number 4. This one we have number 1. And now we have 4 minus number 1, so we have number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.